Here I've got LG K9 and let me show you how to grab a screen, how to take a screenshot on the following device. So at first let's open some interesting display. Let me go to the settings and for example, let me share my gaming functions with someone. So if you would like to grab a screen, tap on the power key and volume down key, hold them all together for about 3 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, the screenshot has been made. Then let me go to the second method. So if you would like to show someone the level of your battery, simply slide down the upper bar and click on capture. Now confirm that you would like to capture this display by tapping on confirmation mark, save it to gallery, and that's it. So now you can find both displays in gallery. So let me open the gallery. And now the first one will be in screenshots. So this is the one. And then the second will be in capture. So it's the battery level. And you can edit both images, you can share them or delete them. So it's up to you what you would like to do with those screenshots. And that's basically all. So it's up to you which method you would prefer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.